Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are stuck trying to get your money out of Pcex, here is what you can do. So basically in today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover your money from the Pcex platform. So first of all, you will have to simply open your web browser, and here in your web browser, you need to simply search for pcex.com. Now once you are on Pcex, you just have to simply log in into your account. Then by default you will be on the home page. So first of all, in this situation you will have to stay calm and gather all of the proofs, like take the screenshot of your balance, withdrawal requests, and any email or messages you sent to Pcex support. Now once you are on this page, you will have to tap on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen, and over here you will see customer service. So you need to simply tap on customer service, and in the pictures section you will have to simply upload those screenshots, and over here in the questions tab you will have to simply ask them the questions that you are having problem in withdrawing from your account and how you can actually do it very easily. So you just have to simply do that over here and press send option. Then you need to just go back and scroll down in the bottom. Over here you will see this email that is support@pcex.com. So you will have to simply mail them the same screenshots and the same queries. You will have to simply just send them an email, and you need to then wait for the responses until you get from Pcex. Now if they don't respond, you need to post in their social media, and public pressure can sometimes help the speed things up. So you just have to finally try these steps in order to recover your money from Pcex. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to this channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.